How to use Google Veo 3.1 for free in 2026. Veo 3.1 has a free path in 2026, but it's not where most people think. Here's exactly where to find it. Method 1. Google Flow, the main free route. 1. Google Flow. This is the real free entry point, a daily credit allowance that refreshes, enough for a handful of 8-second clips. No subscription required. The catch: watermarks and daily caps. The catch: free flow clips carry a visible watermark, plus an invisible tracking marker, and your daily credits run out fast if you're generating multiple drafts. Method 2. The Gemini app is not free. Important correction people get wrong. Veo inside the Gemini app currently requires a paid Google AI plan. That's not a free path, despite what a lot of tutorials claim. Method 3. The free trial route. 3. The AI Pro free trial. It unlocks a much bigger credit pool for a month. Just set a cancellation reminder now, since it auto-charges after the trial ends. Method 4. Student promotions. 4. Student promotions. If you're eligible, Google has run extended free access offers for verified students. Worth checking even if you think you don't qualify. One honest note: these limits change often. Always check the current number inside your own account before planning a project around it. Full step-by-step for each method is on my channel. Follow so you don't miss updates as these limits shift.